Now, since the index.js file is the entry point of our application, and we need to connect to the database before we start our server, we need to export this function to our index.js file. And to do so, we're going to wrap it in another function, and we're going to call this function ConnectDB. And this function is going to take in a URL as input, and it's going to call the mongoose.connect function. Now, instead of passing in our environment variable directly, we're going to pass in the parameter URL. In order to use this function in our index.js file, we need to first export it. And to export a component in a node project, we can use module.exports, which is an object. And this object is going to contain all the components that we want to export. So if we had multiple components, we would put them in an object. But in our case, we only want to export the ConnectDB function, so we can directly pass it in. And once that's done, we can remove the import for the .env package, since we're not using it anymore inside this file.